My mom knows a lot about computers. Most of the stuff that I know, I learned from either YouTube or her. But there's one problem. This is her keyboard. She tried using some of my old membrane keyboards and she didn't like how they felt and the profile of the keycaps. But that's why we're going to be building her a custom keyboard. I've never built a keyboard before. I have no clue what I'm doing. But I've learned way too much about keyboards from YouTube. So she wanted me to build her one, so I'm gonna build her one. If it goes horribly wrong, that makes for a good video. Let's go. We're taking her to the Razer store because she said she liked the Razer green clicky switches. So we're gonna show her the orange switches and see which one she prefers better. Over here is the switch guide. This is the low profile clicky switch.
I hate this.
The linear?
Yes, I
hate
hate
yellow
that.
is also linear.
I don't like that.
Yeah, here's the keyboard with the low profile clickies. Yep, here there. This is the orange switch. Try it out.
I think I like this one better.
That one is the clickies, the low profile, so those would be the same as this right here. You like those better?
I do. I like the clicky. I don't like it mushy at all.
Yeah, we can get the green switches individually.
Is that what these are, green switches?
These are the purple switches. They're just green switches, but lower. But they
Oh,
don't.
that's the one I told you I liked over there.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
This one. If we get the green switches and get low profile keycaps with no taper, you can get the same feeling as that one. That's the one that's on my keyboard.
Yeah. All right, that would be a second pick. Still not my favorite. This right here is my favorite. I love that.
Hold on, hear me out. Try that.
Yeah, I like that.
Later.
What was the one you wanted? The green switches.
Oh, the green switches.
Okay, I'm only finding one set of greens right now.
Well, that's not good. We need more than one set. I need 3, right?
Yeah. Do you have any more of the Razer green switches? We need 2 more sets of these. While we wait for that, let me tell you about the video sponsor. I'm just kidding. We don't have a sponsor. We're at 250 subs. What do you expect? Micro Center, please sponsor me. So we got. We'll probably have to come back another time and get the other 2 packets.
How many subscribers do you have?
250. Yeah.
He's gonna make a big one day, don't worry.
This is my name, Dylan Lanham.
On YouTube?
Yeah.
251.
Oh, yeah, let's go.
252. 253. Why haven't you been uploading?
Alright.
Oh, never mind. You made it up to me.
The only thing, what else did we need? Oh, yeah. We can stop filming now. I need to ask him about the
I don't know
PS2
how.
USB connector.
Later.
Like, I'm all excited. Oh, man. Oh. Ooh. All right, hold
that
on.
look
Hold on.
sleek?
Hold this. Hold this.
Just a cable.
Okay, hold on. We're dun dun dun. Drum roll, please. Choo! Look at that! Wow! But aren't they supposed to have the little things in the middle? The things that I pushed on at the store. Oh. Okay. Ooh.
Look at that.
Can you hear it?
You wanna try? Okay, we got everything we need so far. We still need the extra switches and we need to go shopping for keycaps. But let's start building this. Dude. Alright, hold up. These are the old keycaps off of my Black Widow. The Phantom ones are the ones that are on there right now. These are the original. Alright, we're back at Micro Center. Thankfully they do have more green switches. And now all we need are the keycaps that she ordered to come in the mail, and we can fully finish this board. The keycaps just came in. They were really hard to find because she wanted really low profile, really low taper keycaps. It took us a while, but we finally found them. It's the XVX Skyline low profile keycaps. We're gonna slap them on, and then we're gonna show her keyboard.
Later.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Oh, it's pretty. Oh my goodness. That thing is heavy. Oh my gosh, I love it. Oh my goodness, look at
And
it.
now you can change all of this in the Red Dragon software.
Okay, is it ready? Can
Yep.
I type with it?
Type on it. It honestly, it sounds really good for a clicky keyboard. Cause like with my Black Widow, you're gonna hear the, and then compared to this one, that one sounds a lot better. That sounds really good.
It feels so good. I love it. I don't even want to know how much all of it together cost.
Now all of it together, the bare bones was $50, the keycaps was $25, and the switches was $75.
About 150.
150 bucks.
Yeah.